Today I'm going to talk about a science experiment you can do with sound. For this experiment, you'll need 4 glass bottles, 4 food colors, some water, a spoon and something to stir with. So far the bottles have no water in them, so let's see what sound they make when they have no water. Next, I'm going to pour different levels of water into the jars. Now I'm going to put the food color into the jars so you can easily see the different levels of water. Now's the fun part. Let's listen to the sound the jars make. Do you know why the jars make a different sound when there's different levels of water in them? Well, this is why.